Samsung's 2023 Galaxy S23 lineup is officially out, and are you ready for the Ultra model? Well, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is not an ordinary smartphone.
Yeah, really.
With a massive screen and better camera, you will definitely enjoy using the S23 Ultra. Let's take a look at its official features. One thing that stays with the S23 Ultra is its resemblance to the S22 Ultra. When spotted from a distance, the Galaxy S23 Ultra appears to be similar in appearance to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And while they have the same dimensions, the Galaxy S23 Ultra weighs a little less at 233 grams and has the same 4-camera module on the back as well as a punch-hole camera on the front. And at the bottom of the phone, you find the S Pen carefully located when you need it. Weighing 3.04 grams and measuring 5.8 x 4.35 x 105.08 millimeters, the S Pen is Bluetooth enabled with a 0.7 millimeters pen tip diameter, which is a great addition for when you need to use the S Pen for tasks such as signing a document, taking down notes, marking out dates on the calendar, edit PDFs, and it can also be used as a control pen to take pictures with the camera.
Oh, interesting.
The Galaxy S23 Ultra is built with Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is designed to be more durable to protect the phone's body from scratches and withstand drops. Thus, the phone is protected. The Galaxy S23 Ultra comes in green, cream, lavender, and black colors. However, if you purchase it from the official Samsung website, you can also get extra color options red, lime, graphite, or sky blue. What additional new features do you think have been included? How about the rumored discontinued use of the Exynos chipset? Well, stay with us and let's find out. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with the traditional massive 6.8-inch AMOLED display, HDR10 Plus certified, that runs at 120 Hz variable refresh rate that can also be scaled down to 1 Hz, along with 3088 x 1400 pixels resolution and a 1750 nits peak brightness, which even in direct sunlight is easy to use. The S23 Ultra has IP68 rating, which according to Samsung, the IP68 rating is based on lab test conditions for submersion in up to 1.5 meters of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. As promised from all the rumors that leaked online, Samsung has officially, and for the first time, included a 200-megapixel sensor main camera, which is an upgrade from the S22 Ultra's 108-megapixel sensor. So basically, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's quad camera setup comes with a 200-megapixel wide camera with f1.7 aperture that shoots at 12.5 megapixels with OIS, and along with two 10-megapixels telephoto sensors with 3x and 10x optical zoom capabilities, as well as a 12-megapixels ultra-wide-angle camera. The front camera has a 12 megapixels, which is a downgrade from the 40 megapixels that was spotted on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The camera sensor has also been improved with Samsung's night photography. The primary camera's low-light shots have also been enriched with better details, brightness, color dynamics, and autofocus.
Absolutely amazing, and very meticulous on their part.
The Samsung flagship camera has a video resolution of 8K at 30 frames per second for improved videography performance, set to enhance richer color tones and details as well. For detailed tech gadget reviews like this and more, subscribe to our channel for new updates and reviews made available right here for you. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor powers the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is a more powerful version in terms of performance of the chipset, which was purposely manufactured for only Samsung's Galaxy phones, which goes forward to back up the rumor about Samsung discontinuing the use of the Exynos chipset. Additionally, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is powered by One UI 5.1, which is based on the current Android 13 operating system, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra is set to receive major OS updates for 4 years and security updates for 5 years as well.
Cool, that's cool.
The Galaxy S23 Ultra flagship phone now comes with a standard 8 GB of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, as well as there are 2 additional storage configurations available. That is 12 gigabytes of RAM with 512 gigabytes of storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM with 1 terabyte of storage. With 2 additional storage options, how much does the S23 Ultra cost? Keep up with us. It's coming up shortly. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, like its predecessor, maintains a 5,000 mAh battery. However, this time, it is much more powerful and efficient. The S23 Ultra can get you through your typical day of scrolling through Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram, sending or replying to emails, messaging via WhatsApp, watching YouTube videos, or casually surfing the web. The Galaxy S23 Ultra charges at 45 watts and can take about an hour and a few minutes to fully charge the 5,000 mAh capacity battery. However, there is no charger included in the box, and you will have to buy a compatible USB-C type charger separately. Ultimately, the S23 Ultra's 5,000 mAh battery comes with a much enduring performance than the iPhone 14 Pro Max's 4,323 mAh battery capacity.
Wow, that's awesome.
With all of this said, the Galaxy S23 Ultra's battery is great and can last you all day for your activities. The prices range differently based on where you are. So, in the United States and Europe, the Galaxy S23 Ultra can be purchased at $1,199 and £1,249, and in India can be purchased at 124,999 rupees for the 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage variant. And for the 512 gigabytes model, it is selling at $1,379 in the USA and £1,399 and 134,999 rupees, while the 1 terabyte model costs $1,699, £1,599 and 154,999 Indian rupees. There is more than enough to like about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and you should definitely check it out if you are looking to get a new smartphone. With all its new specs and features, the S23 Ultra gives Apple a reason not to be happy. Find out why in this video.